Short sale specialist and default advocate discusses ways to stay in your home, loan modification. Short sale specialist, default advocate, distressed property expert, and short sale agent Mike Wrigley here, bringing you the latest short sale information. Thanks for joining us. Today we're continuing our series, Ways to Stay in Your Home, as presented by Fannie Mae on their KnowYourOptions.com website. Let's talk about a loan modification. You know me, this is not one of my favorites, but it is an option. Let's talk about it. Many homeowners have fallen behind on their mortgage and could soon be on the path to foreclosure without permanent help. If this sounds like your situation, you may be eligible to modify your mortgage. You may also qualify for the government's Home Affordable Modification Program, or HAMP, which was designed to help borrowers make their payments more affordable. So what is a loan mod? Under this option, you reach an agreement between you and your mortgage company to change the original terms of your mortgage, such as payment amount, length of loan, interest rate, etc. In most cases, when your mortgage is modified, you can reduce your monthly payment to a more affordable amount. Now, a modification may be an option if you are ineligible or to refinance or you don't want to, or you're facing a long-term hardship, or you're several months behind on your mortgage payments or you're likely to fall behind soon. So what are the benefits? The benefits are you resolve your delinquency status with your mortgage company immediately. You may reduce your monthly mortgage payments to a more affordable amount. It will change the original terms of your mortgage permanently, giving you a new start. It's less damaging to your credit score than a foreclosure, and you can stay in your home and avoid the foreclosure. If you owe more than your home is worth, you are still going to owe more than your home is worth, regardless. So, how does it work? A modification involves one or more of the following: changing the mortgage loan type, that is, changing an adjustable to a fixed rate mortgage, extending the mortgage, like from a 30-year to a 40-year term, reducing the interest rate, either temporarily or permanently, and adding any past due amounts, such as interest and escrow, to the unpaid principal balance, which is then re-amortized over the new loan. So, if this is of interest to you, what are your next steps? You want to gather your financial information. Make sure you have your basic financial and loan information on hand when you call your mortgage company. You're going to need your mortgage statements, your monthly debt payments, and your income details. Have your pay stubs and your tax returns available. You want to be able to explain your current situation. Be ready to outline your current situation and explain why you're having trouble making your mortgage payments and if this is a short-term or a long-term problem. Your mortgage company will need to understand why you're having difficulty in order to help you find the best vehicle. And then contact your mortgage company or the Fannie Mae Mortgage Help Center. Tell them that you're interested in a loan mod and see if you qualify. Now, what about a short sale? Is a short sale right for you? Give me a call. Let's talk about your situation. To find out when your home will be worth what you owe, log on to www.shortsaleandloanmod.info for a free estimate, or call me today for a free no-obligation consultation. You'll call me today, you'll sleep better tonight, and look forward to hearing from you. Thanks.